Xikwembu WizzyBee yapafetse kunjani.
Rain, rain, please go away. Rain, 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 please go away. Rain, rain, please go away. Rain, 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 please go away. When it's rain like this, I think it those kids on the streets. When it's rain like this, I think those under the bridge. When it's rain like this, I wonder how they're doing. Cause they got no shelter. Please rain, go away. Here's the story I wanna tell. It's about a little boy used to live with his mom, and no daddy ran away while the boy was still a kid. After dating being so hard, I'm suffering from the stress. Years ago switch to depressed, having suicidal thoughts. Can't even take a life, cause a lot on her mind.
What will happen to my child? What will happen if I die? He will be left alone. What if haven't got a phone? Can't even send him home, cause I ran away. Not away but far away. When they say flesh it's away. Wanted me to kill my son, wanted me to murder my baby, to avoid doing abortion. Here I go, I ran away.
I built a home with baby daddy.
Here I go, I ran away.
Hey, I stay with baby daddy.
Here I go, I ran away.
I built a home with baby daddy. What's really his now? The baby daddy left them now and went away with another woman. Left her to raise the kid all alone. It was really hard but she always prayed, hoping one day she will be heard. Someday God answer all her praise. She got a job and starting saving some cash, official every month payday. After things being so good now and everything going so smooth now, but she was emotionally dead. Depression never went away, was still hurting her down, even with PlayStation every day. And someday she got a heart attack. She didn't make it and she died. The boys left all alone now and got no part to call his own now. And some goes the father came back, said my son I'm sorry I left you all alone, but it wasn't my fault, your mom pushed me away. I wanted to be in your life all alone. Let's start afresh now. Wanna be there for you all the time and cover up the time I was absent. Let's start afresh now. I wanna give you all the love and cover up the time I wasn't there. Why will his daddy come back after so many years with so many bags? I really know he came back because of love. He came back cause some motive. Heard about the money, started having so much funny. Sweet love as the honey. Mama left the money for her son, but they drink it 7 days a week. When he's drunk he's not weak. Look at the boy as a punching bag. Beat him till he can't walk right. Beat him each and every night. Everything is dark, he ain't no light. Then the boy ran away, went to the street just to stay. Every night he just pray. Rain, rain, go away. Sleep on a box as a bed. His situation is so bad. Being hungry drive him mad. Thinking of killing his own dad, cause they took everything away from him. Man in the house belonged to him. Now he's sleeping under the bridge, pushing the hustle on the street. This is regular every day, got a hustle, but ladies raining every day. On rainy days he can't hustle, can't even sleep, his bed is so wet. He got himself on his knees praying. Rain, 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 please go away. Rain, rain, please go away. Rain, 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 please go away. Rain, rain, please go away. Rain, 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 please go away. When it's rain like this, I think it those kids on the streets. When it's rain like this, I think those under the bridge. When it's rain like this, I wonder how they're doing, cause they got no shelter. Please rain, go away.